From the TommyMedia.com newsroom, I'm Kyle Jonas. The 11th ranked St. Thomas men's basketball team defeated St. Olaf 55-51 last night to take a 2-game lead in the MIAC with 3 games remaining. Guard Eric Tangwall led the way with 16 points for the Tommies. Check TommyMedia.com for the full story. The 16th ranked St. Thomas women's basketball team also defeated St. Olaf Wednesday night, routing the Oles 61-47. Center Maggie Wires led the way with 20 points. The Tommies remain tied for the conference lead with St. Mary's. The St. Thomas men's and women's swimming and diving teams will be competing in the 3-day MIAC Championships this weekend at the University of Minnesota. It will be the last conference championship tournament for Coach Tom Hodgson, who will be retiring after the season. Check TommyMedia.com over the weekend for full coverage. For TommyMedia.com, I'm Kyle Jonas.